Jerry Mason, Kickin lawyer. I'm here with my lovely law partner, Brian Huffman. And again, we're with Huffman Mason attorneys here in West Tennessee. So sometimes we get questions because even recently we've ended up with high profile cases. And a lot of people are like, why would we get the high profile cases? Or almost like we seek them out. And that's not exactly true. So what Brian and I have talked about is we think there's really like three main criteria that people look at, whether they hire us or we're appointed by the court. And one is we're very experienced trial lawyers. We will take cases to trial. The judges have seen us go to trial. And I think that's a sign of competence that can lead to a firm that might be able to handle higher profile cases. The second thing is you have to have a firm that's big enough to sort of eat the cost on those. Often those cases can be expensive to litigate, and our firm, luckily we have a great staff here that helps us. We are able to work together on scheduling issues with all our other cases, and typically we can balance those pretty well. And then the last thing, you have to have a firm in some cases that's willing to take appointments, because a lot of these higher profile cases, sometimes the clients are found indigent. They can't afford their own attorneys, even though we're private lawyers. And if there's a conflict with the public defender's office in the state of Tennessee, the judge will actually appoint you to the case. So the third criteria is you'd have to be a firm that fits those other two, but is willing to take appointments. Anything else on that?
No, I think that kind of sums it all up.
Yeah, and so, you don't ever get to see him. I talk about him a lot, but our firm is actually two of us. I'm the Kickin lawyer. That's our brand we push, but it's actually Huffman Mason attorneys here in Tennessee.